Today I'm going to show you how to make peri peri chicken. So let's get it started. First, I'm going to make the peri peri sauce for chicken marination. To make the peri peri sauce, add 10 to 12 red chillies, one teaspoon paprika, some sea salt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 10 to 13 garlic cloves, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then add 3 dried bay leaves, add the peri peri sauce into the chicken pieces. You can use boneless chicken also, or the chicken along with bones, your choice. Give it a good mix. Take a piece of charcoal and place on a gas burner. Now set a small bowl in the pieces of marinated chickens. Transfer the hot coal piece. Then pour some few drops of olive oil on the charcoal. Cover and let it smoke for 30 minutes. Heat the grill pan over medium heat for around 2 to 3 minutes. Then cook the marinated chicken pieces on both sides until golden brown. Once you have finished cooking, turn off the flame. And the peri peri chicken is ready to serve. Hope you guys like it. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.